What? Oh my god. What?
We know what we're doing, we just haven't done it before. I said today, it looks like if you get corner, he chucks this down, get corner, he chucks this on force, then he puts the box on like just keep comparing my parents, and then if someone comes back and I have shoes, I'll be like, bingo! Yeah, footy I'll leave you with the expert.
I didn't even get a check. It was bent 2 weeks ago. It was bent like this one. Now it's swollen. This one. I thought so. He told him to run it down. That's what I told him.
Oh, that's right, yeah, we just got that really quick.
How about you take us on play? Nice lad, it's right here. Top here,
How about I want it? Drop a bit, I.
Good boss. Sarah here, stay connected here.
Water.
Oh, Well, press in, Andre and Ben. Not too far wide.
And that's a tie to Mustangs. Score update, Mustangs 4, Debra 0, still with the kick to come.
That's why I'm saying run out there and have a look.
Can I please have the try scorer? Try scorer turn around for the number. Can I please have the try scorer? Number 9, thank you.
Well done, Vaughn! What finish on this?
We keep working, no matter what happens, we keep working.
Get a breather, reset.
Stay away from that line. Every single one. Benny,
Off that back fence now.
Conversion successful. Score update, Mustang 6, Debra 0.
Hello. I'm over with the safety, but the duty of the standing in front of the mud field rather than actually
Yes, sir!
yeah. Oh, good, I'm gonna check that.
Let's set up here, Andre and Benny start jumping to him. See what he's up to. Give Andre. Go. Get him. Get up there, Dom. Good kick, Debbie. He said here, we're football, look up. Every PC start talking loud.
2 Mustangs. Score update, Mustangs 10. Deborah 0, still with the kick to come.
So you need to stay with Papa. Oh, sweet. Oh, wow. She's going really bad, right?
Is that what I do? Yeah. Okay, cool.
I'm hitting them, these guys. Yep. And we're here to pick people out if they come within the ropes. Alright, I will do that. You can't be on the field, dude. Get over that side of the fence now.
Why are you on the field?
What are you doing running out on the field? There's a game on. Yes.
Big effort, big effort.
Where's the money I gave you for? That money, you can use that money. Get it out of my bag. But don't go stupid. Get yourself a drink and get yourself something to eat. Okay? Good. 3. What?
Conversion unsuccessful. Score remains Mustangs 10. Deborah 0.
What's the game here, boys? Hello.
It's up in the office. Don't walk around the fence.
It's never ending.
That's fine, I.
Easy left, just hold wing, Sammy, play center, Sammy, play center,
Let's get the players going.
Can he lift that?
Heavy. Andre, cut off! Benny, let's chase out! Andre, Benny! Move on, go on! Left! Alu! Yeah!
Good, contact good.
Yeah! Oh, good. Go, boys! Pressure!
Stop asking for penalties. Stop asking for them.
Go, Mustangs, go to the left! Let's go! Tuya! Come back! Money of a tackle! Make sure you get that deep when you get the football!
And that's a try to Mustangs. Score update, Mustangs 14. Deborah 0. Still with the kick to come. Can I please get the try scorer to raise their hand? Try scorer, please raise your hand. Number 2. Thank you.
Stop, one first off, Benny. Alexis, there, boys, good stuff.
Stay fresh, stay fresh.
Do you want me to just radio over the try score, Sandy? Sorry? Do you want me to just radio over the try score?
Must complete, hey, must complete here. Boys, keep working, keep, hey, Dello, keep working, all day, Bunny. Keep working, keep jumping out.
Hello. Keep going.
Go for JB. Go for JB. What's he playing? 7. Take control, eh? Speed up out there. Back.
Conversion successful. Score update Mustang 16, Deva 0.
You're good.
Sorry.
What, you two? Look up.
Good boy, Dre.
Come back
Big chase, you Jose.
Here we are! Time, you got time, Dre! Nice, Dre,
Gotta listen. We are 1-7 shout! 1-17! Lift your head!
Let's go.
Here we go! 6 together! Keep working together! Hold that ball!
I look good in blue.
Service in! Shorten! Under!
Good boy, Tuya. Nice, Tuya. Let's go. What's next? What's next?
Release! Now, 30! Hold! Guys, turn! Inside, work!
Nice, Jamie. Good boy.
Held! Release! 30! Waiting! Great!
Find him, Benny.
Shot, Mildy! Push up!
Josie! Nice, boys. Looking up. Here we are. Here we are. Chase it. They don't want it.
And that's a try to Mustangs. Score update, Mustangs 20, Deva 0, still with the kick to come.
Here's where we start playing, eh? Don't play just to hold our lead. Keep punting on. That's us.
Can I just have the try scorer to put their hand up, please? 7. Thank you.
Number 7.
Yeah, big game last week. They're all whispering and stuff. We're looking at you. Last day, what need time? 2 minutes, yeah.
Diversion successful. Score update. Mustangs 22. Debra 0.
Hey!
Big chase, eh? Big chase. Come on, Tommy. Hit him. Come on, Tommy, hit him. Keep telling.
You and Ben start pushing in a bit. Not too far. Here we are. Stop them. Work here, work here. Get off the line, Mustang! One more, two wheel, get at me! Ah, scusi! Kick on! What's up on the alley? Kick Alex! Hello, good boy! Get that back five working! Nice try! Two! Let's go! Close in! Nice, Goosey! Get the line up! Nice, Matilda! Good boy!
That's okay.
What the hell?
We need to watch the Corona game because
That won't work for me, bro.
Nice, Debbie, shut it down!
I'll show you.
Boys! Blind side, blind side!
Last.
Go, boys! Hey, bees, let's work! Dre, get in there, Dre! Last money! Oh boy, Alex! One for Dello. Joe, hold that ball.
Second half.
Let's work it out. Nothing here. Nothing doing. Straight, nothing doing, right? Good idea. Let's get off. What? Hold on, let's go on. Go back home. Epps home. Epps home. Watch what he said, bro. It's one set here, let's go hard. Nothing here, Deb. 3, yeah? Work to 3. He set the tone. Epps, get one there. Let's make a feeler here, see? Fall back, bro.
They were just over this hurdle.
Lucky you're not sitting there. That's why you're lucky you're not sitting there. No, I don't care if you get
Hey.
6. Go.
Bring it up, hey, 1 fucking 6! Wait, use this!
Just a quick reminder to everybody, if it's not positive, it's pointless.
Set up! Look up!
Waiting, go.
Get it through this minute, Decky.
On your front, Jack! On your
Get it
front!
through the minute.
And that's a try to Mustangs. Score update, Mustangs 26, Debra 0, still with the kick to come.
Oh, over here. No, over here.
Bring ourselves back down.
Conversion successful. Score update, Mustangs 28, Debra 0. And that's half time, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to give a quick shout out to our club sponsors, Kwani Disability, Mental Health and Aged Care Services, Burbank Homes, Hannah's Country Butcher, AWD Civil, Moses and the team at NGU Real Estate, Dave's Roofing, and Domino's Logan Reserve. Just want to do a quick reminder, there is to be no smoking or vaping around the field. We do have a designated smoking area which is located next to the bar. And if you are drinking alcoholic beverages, please do not leave in front of the bar area.
Let's go, Cowboys! Let's eat, talk there, bro. Move, boys. Hey, Mustangs up. Talk in money, talk in money. Yeah. Nice, baby. Off the line, Mustangs.
Numbers, get numbers! In there, Z!
Yeah, nice, Tommy. Good work, Tommy.
Pick up! Pick up!
Go, Jono. Don't control it, Jono.
Eddie, keep working, Eddie! Find the roof,
Get him off the line! Off the line!
That's right, that's all right.
Go, Jono. Get the slide, boys! Off the slide! Nice! Going! Nice!
Keep.
Come on, boys! One in, yeah! 14! Go, Jay!
Here, come and sort.
Good boy! One more goal, work! Let's get on, let's work!
Come on, Cowboys, look where we are.
One team standing, now let's go.
Let's work the boys, let's get that exercise! Exercise here! What are we doing? See, after the sun!
Go, Topher. Right, Jay, you gotta fucking work. Wait, don't drop the tempo. I'm not. Guys, Jimmy, get back behind the line.
Work here!
So the tick. Fucking work. Now, go. Unlost. Go. Quick. One for our middle, Scotty. Quick, shot. Go, Scotty.
Hey, ball me. One.
Scotty, you gotta work. Middle, Jay, you gotta work. Hey, Benny coming.
Release now!
Girls, push F to center. Push F to center, go second row. Okay? Go, Scotty! Go, Scotty! See what happens, no training.
Go.
That's all right, keep working, that's pressure! Good pressure, keep working! Keep on! Scotty, Jay, get the middle up! Dello, get the middle up!
Get him, Mitchell!
No sillies!
Just a good boy!
Hey, love it! Find the ball, man. Mitchell.
Work here!
Alex, work for me.
Get back! Here! Reset in the middle, Alex. Just hold on. Back in! Middle, gotta get up, middle. Get up in the middle. Go, guys. Held up. Bunny, down the middle, gotta get up, middle. That's a line. Who's the letter?
Let's try to Dover. Score update. Mustangs 28, Dover 4. Still with the kick to come.
Good. Want a water?
Conversion successful. Score update. Mustangs 28, Dover 6. Please stay dry, ladies and gentlemen. It is wet weather today.
Let's work! Full hit, Mustang, full hit! Bang in! Anyone here? Find the work! Find the work! Good point, money. Here we go! Look up, down, down! Still sit up, Dan! Still sit up! Nice, boys! Yeah, have a rest. Suck it in, Scotty! Jay, suck it in!
Let's go.
Yeah, Benny.
Steady up.
Benny, you're good. Two. Yeah, they're taking the two. Two. Reset, boys. Yeah, take the two to reset. Right? Are you going to waste us up? Are you going to waste us up? Nah, Scotty, when you're in there, only if you're working hard.
Let's go, let's go.
Hey, refresh, regroup. Don't tell me. Very funny. Yes. Reset here.
Penalty conversion successful. Score update, Mustangs 30, Deva 6.
Tuck it in. That's me flash, James. It's simple. It's work.
Who's that other front?
How long gone?
Sure. Oh, no, it's it, though.
Hey, who's that other front there?
Let's go.
Ali, wait. What's he got down to?
Jay, control it.
One short on that. Short. Help, boys. Come on, team, boys. Wait, wasn't it 28? It should be 40 now. Yeah! Kill that ball, Mustang!
It's still 28.
Hey, Sandy.
Could be 30.
Easy. Make the boys blow and chuck the ball. Almost how we started.
That's it, guys, boys.
Come on, boys!
Charlie, back row, back row. Back row.
Quiet now, hey, it's quiet now, turn it up! Man on, man on! Good boy, Christy. Good boy, Jay. Good boy, Jay. Out. Nice, Jay.
And that's a try to Dover. Score update, Dover 10, Mustangs 32. Still with the kick to come. Conversion successful. Score update, Mustangs 32, Dover 12.
Let's go, team!
Hey! Oh, let's fuck this one down now!
Oh, big boys, don't get around it! Get around it! Get out, get him, Seven, get in!
Buddy, let's work with him! Jay!
Nice, Jay! Oh, stop, dude! Hold him down there! Take these points! Take these points! Hey, let's work it out! Let's go, eh? Keep on the roll! Let's go! Let's go! Hold it on!
And that's a try to Deva. Score update. Mustangs 32, Deva 16, still with the kick to come.
Get back!
Sandy, that's 5-4, but there's number 9.
Hey, go with it.
Good, half good. Good, left. Outside.
Conversion successful. Score update. Mustangs 32, Deva 18.
Go!
Cut the bullshit out, hey, work hard.
Let's go!
Work hard.
On the ball!
crew, please raise your hand. Nice card number 2. Awesome, thank you. Conversion successful. Score update Mustang 38, Zebra 18. And that's a try to Debra. Score update, Mustangs 40, Debra 22. Still with the kick to come.
Get on. Go you. Get on. Yeah. Here you go. Go centre. Go to wing. Put in the centre.
It doesn't want it. It doesn't want Right here, boys. Right here, boys. Right here, boys. Right here.
And that's full time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a round of applause for both of these teams. Final score, Mustangs 40, Debra 22. Just want to thank Debra and all your supporters. Thank you for making the trip down. We know it was a long drive. Please drive safely home, and we hope to see you again later on in the season. Thank you. Our next game, ladies and gentlemen, is our Prim Women versus North Lakes Kangaroos. Just want to give a quick shout out to the Prim Women sponsors, All Our Hands, Harvey's Towing, AWD Civil, Eagle Eye Property, and Lipke Motors.